For a recent exhibition, we built a 50-centimeter long scaled ship model for a leading marine company. The aim? To capture the essence of their real-world vessel, miniaturized for effortless showcasing. With their full-scale ship already in production, the client needed a compact, portable version. A model that could represent their innovation without the constraints of large-scale logistics. We began by 3D printing the ship's hull using bioplastic filament, an eco-friendly and precise foundation for the model. Next, we SLA printed the intricate components, ensuring high detail and accuracy in the smaller sections of the ship. The hull was then treated with a primer finish, smoothing the surface and preparing it for the perfect paint application. A multicolor paint finish was carefully applied to define the waterline of the hull, bringing depth and realism to the model. Then added vibrant blue and green layers to the upper hull, mimicking the original ship's color palette. The detailed components were painted next, with meticulous attention to color consistency and precision. A frosted acrylic effect was added to the windows, giving the appearance of glass reflections and realism. A transparent protective cover was laser cut and assembled, safeguarding the model while keeping it fully visible. Finally, every part was carefully assembled to complete the model, and with that, the miniature ship comes to life, a stunning scale representation ready to impress at any exhibition, compact, precise, and built to travel the world, just like the real thing. Want a custom model built for your next showcase or presentation? Get in touch through the email in the description below.